Right, I'm going to have a go at replacing this switch on a Discovery 4 because that's knackered. Where's my key? So, it's unlocked. But when I come to press that button, nothing happens, so I got to press it again to catch it. So, yeah, I'm going to have a go at replacing that and these lights for new LED lights. So where do I start? Here's the thing. Got one bolt that there, one there, and one up in there. I've already took the trim off the inside. I took that off ages ago to give it a good clean. Just haven't put it back on. So yeah, I'm going to start off with getting them 3 nuts out and go from there. So that's 3 10mm out. That's made down a bit more loose. What else have we got? I'm assuming we got to disconnect this cable here, this plug. Yep, there she comes. So yeah, that plug inside we got to disconnect. I need another hand for this. That's out. So that's that one and this one. I think that's the camera one. Gotta come off. I need another end. That's them 2 disconnected. So there should be nothing stopping this from coming off. Right, let's put a hand down just to get the wires through the hole there. So got them cables out, pretty straightforward, just 3 nuts, a couple of tabs like that, and yes, so what bit do I do first? Do I do the switch or do I do the lights? I'll do the lights first. There's my lights, hopefully they fit. So we're looking at this. I think you just need to get a flathead screwdriver down the one side and prise it out. Yeah. Let's try that. Yeah, that was easy. So unplug that and fit the new one on. That plugs straight in. Trying to do things with one hand is so awkward. Just need to push that in. It's looking tidy. So that's one done. Let's get this next one out. That's it. Put that end in first. Happy days. Let's just hope they work. Right, so on to the next job, which is this switch. How does that come out of there? Oh, just like that. Just falls out. So, what have we got here? Just untangle these cables. So I don't need that one. Oh, hang on a minute. We're looking at this. Well, there are new ones for the lights. So when you buy a whole new switch, you don't just get that bit. You get the light cables as well. The wires for the lights. Ah, that's a bit annoying. So, and this camera light plugs into the same block as well. I'll have to have a look at this. So after having a look at this, I think it's best just to cut it off there and join it onto here. Do away with this new wires, keep the old ones. I think that's just going to be much simpler of a job. Didn't want to do that, but looks like I'm going to have to. Right, so let's cut that off then. So I've changed my mind again. What I'm actually going to do is pull these two red cables out of the old plug. So these two pins, and plug them into here, into them two there where there's blanks. I think that's going to be my best bet. So yeah, just got to D-pin this, D-pin or D-pin. But I haven't got any D-pin tool, so I'm going to have to try and get out another way. Alright, I've got them D-pinned. I did have to hack it though, because I didn't have a proper tool. So I'm gonna get these in there. So the black one goes in the middle and the red one goes on the outside. But I think I've got to take this white little bit out first with a little flat screwdriver. That's them two plugged in. Let's get that white little thing back inside and put it all together. So, done all that, connected them wires in, plugged the lights in. Actually had to thread it all through this hole here first. So hopefully now this should just clip down in. It's supposed to have a lip. But I think I need another hand. So I think that's job done. But what I'm going to do before I put it back on is give that a bit of a clean and a polish, and then give it a try. Right, let's have a go at putting this back on. So I've got a thread, then cables through that hole, up through there. So gonna put a hand down. That's all bolted in, all plugged up. So let's hope it works. Got my key, haven't I? Right. Oh, where's my key? Right, so that's locked, so it shouldn't open. Right. So unlock. Whee! Happy days. That's that job done. Well, that's a good job, well done.